Jingle bells, Batman smells, Robin laid an egg. Hey, and welcome to IT Pro TV's 12 Days of IT, where we're unboxing 12 different IT gadgets, then giving them away. Today's the third day of IT, and that means Ronnie will be unboxing an Anker PowerCore battery pack. If you haven't already registered to win, head over to itpro.tv/12days to sign up. Then tune into our YouTube Live on Friday, December 10th at 2 p.m. Eastern to see if you're a lucky winner. You won't want to miss a day, so be sure to subscribe to this channel and jingle the bell for notifications. All right, it's time for Ronnie to unbox the battery pack. Ronnie, take the reins!
All right, thank you, Zach. That's right. There is going to be another giveaway here, and this time we have, of course, the Anker PowerCore, and this one is going to be the 26800 series of a, well, portable charger is what this is. So let's go ahead and open this thing. Just put that open, and got a nice little container inside. So we can slide it open for, oh, it looks like it's actually upside down. There we go. See if there's anything else that comes inside that. A regular box. We have their customer service. Are we actually happy? Something we'll be able to fill out a little bit later, or you'll be able to fill that out. There's also this tube that has, looks like a cover inside so that you can protect it. And two cables that will be very handy to charge. A regular USB-C to mini USB-C, or, yep, actually two of them. So we'll have these two right here. A nice little carrying pouch that looks like it's a mesh see-through pouch. And of course, ultimately, PowerCore charger itself, and you can barely see through it, but it looks like it's got two lights on it already. I think that means it's ready to go. All right, so what do we actually have here? So as we actually take a look, it is a nice hard plastic case. Feels pretty hefty in the hand. Does not feel cheap at all, too. And as far as the different connectors go, you can see that there's actually three regular size USB connectors, also with the IQ insignia on it. And then two for input. More than likely, that's going to be for charging the device itself too. So that's what we have. We have this ability, of course, then to be able to actually charge our different devices off of this particular power brick that we see. Now, when it comes to charging, this is actually designed to charge multiple devices at the same time as well. So it can actually charge a regular cell phone for multiple times, or multiple cell phones at a time. And it even has claims that it can charge a regular laptop computer. So let's go ahead and see how it actually charges here. So I'm going to add in just a regular USB-C cable right here. And I'll just put it down for right now. And if I can get my charger up and going. And from here, let me see if I can do that again. You can see it actually is charging, and it's actually telling me that it's 83%, 28 minutes until the charge is actually full. So there we have that ability to do that and allow it to actually continue to charge. The other possibility is going to be, well, my MacBook Pro. So this one, I'll just have to tell you. I just plugged it in, and let me see if I can maneuver this around a little bit more. You can see right there, it's actually charging, and it's actually at 48% right now. So this is actually charging my MacBook Pro as we actually are seeing it. So it does have plenty of power to it to charge multiple devices or even larger devices, and that is this particular claim. So when it comes down to charging, you want to make sure, of course, that you get something like this. Well, how do you actually best do that? Well, on the 12 days of IT, you have your chance to go ahead and win that now.
Yeah, I know. Listen, the reindeer want to tell you that we could use one of those since there aren't any charging ports in this stupid sleigh. Thanks, Ronnie. Would you like to win that or any of the gadgets from the 12 Days of IT? Well, then head over to itpro.tv/12 days to sign up. On Friday, December 10th, tune in at 2 p.m. Eastern right here for YouTube Live and see if you're a winner. Go ahead and subscribe to the IT Pro TV YouTube channel right now and hit the bell wing, for notifications so you don't miss a day. See you tomorrow for the next gift. Okay, I'll talk to him. We'll get a port in here. Jeez.